In this video, you will learn about inverse transformation function that allows you to retrieve the original sentences from its word counts. For example, suppose we have sentences, we convert those sentences into tokenization, that is into individual words, and then we want to retrieve those words into original sentences. That can be achieved by inverse transform function. From scikit-learn dot feature extraction dot text import count vectorizer. Let's execute our code. Let's instantiate the count vectorizer object. Count vectorizer. Let's call the class count vectorizer. I'll make one variable text1, and in this I will save one paragraph, and I have to save that in a list. I'll make a list here. In list I will type double quotes. I'll paste the paragraph. This paragraph I have taken from the official website of NLTK. You can put any paragraph here. Let's execute our code. You just have to make sure that you are putting this inside a list here. Let's print text1. In the output you can see that we have a paragraph, and this paragraph has some sentences. Let's convert every word into numeric text. I'll make one variable transformed underscore vector, and in this I will save the result. From our object count vectorizer, I will call the property fit underscore transform, and I'll apply this on our text1. Let's execute our code. We have converted each and every word into numeric and saved the result in this transform vector. Let's look at the shape, and I'll just make sure the spelling is correct. VECTOR. Let's execute it once again. Let's look at the shape of transformed vector. Transformed vector dot shape. So we have one row and 49 words here, because you can see that we have one paragraph only here. The shape of the transform vector is 1 by 49. There are total 49 unique words in the vocabulary. The transform vector is a sparse matrix. Let's print the vocabulary. Count vectorizer dot vocabulary. Let's execute our code, and these are the vocabulary. The vocabulary property on the vectorizer gave us the words and the unique numeric ID associated with it. These are the vocabulary, and the numbers here you can see these are the unique ID which are associated with this word. For example, for NLTK it is 24, for is it is 17, and so on. We have converted our sentences into tokens or words. Next we will use the inverse transform to get our original sentences back from words. We have stored the words in the variable transform vector. Here you will see we have stored the result in this variable transform vector. I'll call the object count vectorizer, and from this I will call the method inverse transformation, and then I will pass the variable transformed underscore vector. Let's execute our code, and in the output you can see the result here. The sentences here are not the same as the original sentences that we transformed, because the bag of words representation results in the loss of all order transformation. We will get the original sentence, but they will not be in the same order. So here we got the sentences, but the sentences are not in the original order because we lost the order, and this happens in the bag of words representation. That is why we will get the original sentences, but the sentences will not be in the same order. This video was about how we can get the sentences back from the tokenization using the inverse transform function. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.